Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBI Clerk 2022. And you can join with me and make your timetable. And also, I am providing small tips and tricks and shortcuts for each subject. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group, your Bankers Mantra. And I will provide that link in description. And also for better understanding, I am providing subtitles also. So while playing my video, on CC option on the top right corner of my video. And let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. Daily in morning till 11 am schedule is same. So every day in morning before 9 am revise all basics of each subject and also attempt English quizzes from Adda 247 website. And after that give 1 hour for watching editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel or from Murthy sir YouTube channel. So and on daily basis watch editorial video. And after that on daily basis attempt a prelims mock test from one of your source. And my suggestion is for prelims mock test, who are beginners they can purchase textbook test series, and who are already preparing they can purchase Oliveboard or Smart Kida, and they are very helpful for our all prelims and mains exams. And also first attempt a free mock test from the test series and then choose which is best as per your convenience, and those are very helpful for all our prelims and mains exam. So choose the best as per your convenience and attempt a prelims mock test on daily basis. And also all the syllabus and topics are covered in each subject of quant, reasoning and English, and we have one remaining topic in each subject. So tomorrow and after tomorrow practice for that remaining topics. So tomorrow for quant section of prelims level watch a video of probability topic tomorrow for quant section of prelims level. So tomorrow practice for that probability topic. And also for reasoning section of prelims level watch a video from Byju's YouTube channel of order ranking. So tomorrow watch that video. And in afternoon who are beginners they give 1 hour for English section of prelims level. And for that tomorrow watch a video from Byju's YouTube channel for the topic of match the column, and I will provide that video in my Telegram group. So tomorrow watch that video for our prelims level of English section. And also in afternoon who are beginners they attempt second prelims mock test of the day from one of your source. And my suggestion is who are beginners they can purchase textbook test series, and who are already preparing they can purchase Oliveboard or Smart Kida. So choose the best as per your convenience. And in afternoon who are preparing for mains practice and attempt quizzes from Guidely app for our mains preparation, and they are very useful for our mains preparation and also freely available. So tomorrow attempt quizzes from Guidely website for our mains preparation. And if you have any doubts about these PDFs quizzes you can ask in my Telegram group your Bankers Mantra, and I will provide that link in description. And in my Telegram group I will share every topics of video links, PDFs, quizzes, and also I will share screenshots of my attempted quizzes. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And in evening give your time for reading current affairs. And last week we completed March current affairs. So tomorrow read from April first week current affairs from the sources of Adda 247 or Study IQ or Affairs Cloud. And my suggestion is Affairs Cloud is the best to read current affairs. And also on daily basis 1 hour read daily current affairs from one of your source. And after that before going to sleep analyze the two prelims mock test of your weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas on a paper and spend more time on your weak areas and make timetable according to your weak areas. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. Be consistent and confident on your preparation. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being with me. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and latest updates. And thank you.